Them have two issues. Them crash enough and them is a target. We don't need a heat there.
True. So, what want you and Patsy? She come back at the house, you and her link up back?
No, I know. I'm not sure how much longer we can keep up with this. We can't have them disagreement and it just disappear. And I say nothing.
People deal with things different, you know. And she look like that person, so she have to take some time.
Get what you say, but you only take time when I alone. She have responsibilities, you know. She just left me in her water, so.
You have a pine still, but maybe she not think about that.
See, that's the problem. Because if I say something to her now about Destiny and say, you know do this, she fly up in her feelings and start going like someone if say nothing. And see, she approve it right now.
You sure nothing else not bother her? When last you and her talk, for know where her headspace there?
A whole heap of heart to heart me and her have tea. But since recently, she tell me say she have something to tell me. But every time she tell me, something else come up and she never bother tell me.
So I eat that then. When you find that out, you know what about her and why she behave so.
But if she not talk, me not gonna know. Me always ask her to say it, you know. But it look like a something she a hide.
She ever get any strange call around you? Or move weird? Or she get a call and no one answer it?
Yeah, that happened one time, you know. And she step outside when she answer the call, but she never did that before.
Bro, you know what? When I say nothing.
What you mean? No bother with that, man. I see a problem me have with she. No reason me I hear reason.
Maybe she has see her ex. And she don't know how to say it to you.
But we are big people, you know. If she feel like say she want him come back in her life certain way, she just say it.
And you would have take it, sir? Maybe you know the easiest thing for she do. She try work it out.
Me not have no time for work out nothing, you know. I have a daughter to raise right now. And I need somebody serious in her life.
Whisper, you sound different. So you're telling me you'd accept this?
Yeah, it is what it is, you know. If she says she want him, and that's it, what me for do? Can't do nothing else. Can't force her to stay with me.
Just so?
Tonya, let me tell you something. My name never come in on a paper with me having an issue with no man over no woman. That it never happen.
That's true. We see too much things in our media where man go to woman. That is domestic dispute.
So hot.
Are you gonna cook the food, Bubbles?
One more. Just one more wisecrack. I'ma go cancel your order.
No, Bubbles. Come sit down right here, sir. You want to look for fun breeze? Relax. Alright. Nah, you can't see it.
I love you, baby. You're comfortable though. Is one more smell?
Hold on, I'm soon go out. How you call that one now? Ghost protocol.
The Duppy Creeper. But it's nice to know you're still alert.
Ah, sir.
So there was a celebration and I wasn't invited.
It's not a party, sir. It's that we could get together.
So what does this mean? If I'm king, she's queen?
Sir,
Hmm?
don't start.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
That
Bad mind.
Browning.
Bubbles! A joke me and make. Nobody can sleep. A joke.
Well, I think I know who is buying lunch. So, she not buying? And I was so looking forward to lobster.
Well, sir, is actually out of the company budget.
So what? Hold on a second. Say that again, no?